It all begins in the fields. High-capacity harvesters sweep through towering walls of sugarcane, stripping the stalks and prepping them for the first stage of a massive industrial transformation. Efficiency is everything. Massive transport trucks haul tons of raw cane through the night, delivering the harvest to the plant, where the clock is always ticking. The stalks are immediately washed. High-pressure water jets blast away debris, ensuring only the cleanest cane enters the extraction line. Next comes the crush. Heavy-duty rollers exert incredible pressure, splintering the stalks to release every single drop of sugar-rich juice. Inside a massive rotary dryer, heated air and constant motion polish each crystal, removing moisture and ensuring a perfect free-flowing product. The juice is boiled in enormous clarification tanks. Operators monitor the heat with total precision as impurities are skimmed away, leaving behind a concentrated, golden syrup. Under vacuum pressure, the juice undergoes a fierce boil. Advanced systems strip away excess water, thickening the liquid into a dense, sweet mass. In the final stages of crystallization, the syrup is spun in high-speed centrifugals. This force separates the pure sugar crystals from the remaining molasses. The result is a refined, clear, simple syrup. This liquid gold is managed in a network of stainless steel vessels, maintained at the perfect, stable temperature. Precision is everything. Computer-controlled systems monitor flow rates and pressures around the clock, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards of purity. The sugar is then blended with specific additives, from caramel colors to flavor compounds. Every gram is tracked by load cells to maintain a perfect, consistent formula. Final filtration ensures total clarity. The syrup is pumped through fine mesh cartridges, removing even the smallest particles before it moves to the packaging line. Heat exchangers maximize energy efficiency, cooling the product while warming the next batch in a continuous, sustainable loop. The final crystals are dried once more, emerging as the white, granulated sugar we recognize. From the field to the final bag, it is a feat of engineering and chemistry, packed and ready for shipment. The journey is complete.